Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the POREfessional Super Setter long-lasting makeup setting spray from Benefit that I just got in my June 2021 Ipsy Glam bag, which if you have not seen that unbagging yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. And I am so intrigued by this because it sounds amazing. Like, it's really going to target my skin concerns. It says it's a multitasking microfine mist that leaves the skin feeling smooth, refreshed, and hydrated. It's supposed to lock on makeup for 16 hours, instantly blur pores. That's something that I am very interested in and I really hope happens because I have large pores, especially here on my cheeks and my nose. So I really would love to see some pore blurring and minimizing. It's supposed to also mattify excess shine with microfine powders. So that sounds really great for the summer, the hot weather, when my makeup starts to get really shiny. But even right now, I've got some shine that we're gonna be able to see if this tones it down. And this is a little sample size. The full size retails for $32. Before I spray it onto my face, I wanna do a little test spray. Ooh, that is a very microfine mist and it was a huge area. So let's see how it does. I like started with it further away, but brought it so much closer as I continued spraying because it really is a super fine mist. And I do notice a slight, light, really nice smell to it. But yeah, since it is such a soft mist, it really doesn't drench the skin, which is a little different for me because I actually kind of like more of a harsh spray. I kind of like drenching my skin in the setting spray. And honestly, my skin does not look at all mattified. And the pores are not at all minimized. You know, maybe I need to get closer. I'm like really focusing it right here on those pores. I like to fan my setting spray dry. It does dry down quickly though, since it's a very fine mist. Okay. Like, there's no way that that wouldn't do something. But no. No mattifying and definitely no pore smoothing. My pores are looking very textured right now, unfortunately. And no. I don't think this is doing any of its claims, which is a real bummer, but honestly, with Benefit Cosmetics, that seems to happen a lot with the products that I try out, where I have these high expectations, they have these amazing sounding claims, and then I use the products and I don't see any benefit. No pun intended. But that's such a bummer because I was like, this is going to be the coolest, best setting spray for my skin, best setting spray for the summer. But no, my skin is very shiny. Doesn't it even look shinier now where I put the setting spray? Like, when I really focused it here on my cheeks and my nose, like, that is glistening so much, as if I put like a highlighter on my cheeks. What? And I really wanted this to actually minimize my pores because that sounds so unique and unlike any other setting spray I'd found before. And I guess I'm still on the search for that. So if you have any recommendations of some good pore smoothing setting sprays, let me know in the comments down below, because unfortunately this one didn't do it for me. I mean, I will continue wearing my makeup for the rest of the day, and I can update you in the description down below my wear test results, because I mean, this says it's supposed to lock in makeup for 16 hours. Like, maybe my makeup, I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens. I just don't see any initial change, so it's not a product that I would use because it didn't do what I was hoping to see. Wow, a real bummer, but definitely let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this out, what your thoughts are on it. I would love to know if it makes any difference in your skin and makeup, if it has any benefit to your complexion, your face, your makeup. But oh well. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.